The marine environment is unforgiving. Electrical systems on board vessels are the lifeblood of operations, powering everything from navigation to communication to essential machinery. Any malfunction can lead to costly downtime, jeopardize safety, and even risk lives. Standard operating procedures, or SOPs, are not just guidelines. They are the bedrock upon which a culture of safety and quality is built within a marine electrical workshop. SOPs provide a clear and consistent roadmap for every task, minimizing errors and ensuring that all work adheres to the highest industry standards. They are essential for maintaining the integrity of electrical systems, preventing accidents, and ensuring the smooth operation of the vessel. By adhering to established SOPs, marine electricians contribute directly to the safety of the crew, the protection of the marine environment, and the efficiency of maritime operations. A comprehensive set of SOPs for a marine electrical workshop covers a wide spectrum of activities, each crucial for maintaining operational excellence and a safe working environment. These procedures encompass everything from the proper use of personal protective equipment, or PPE, to the isolation and testing of high-voltage systems. Detailed lockout, tag-out procedures are paramount, ensuring that circuits are de-energized before any work commences, preventing electrical shocks and arc flashes. Specific guidelines for cable management, termination, and dressing promote both safety and the longevity of electrical installations. Theoretical knowledge is only one part of the equation in marine electrical work. Equally important is the practical ability to handle tools, equipment, and machinery safely and effectively. This is where equipment familiarization training takes center stage. Newly hired electricians, even those with prior experience, undergo hands-on training with all the tools and equipment they will encounter in the workshop. This includes everything from basic hand tools like wire strippers and crimpers to more complex equipment like multimeters, insulation testers, and specialized soldering tools. Section 4, Structured Training, Building Expertise and Confidence. While equipment familiarization provides a foundational understanding of tools and equipment, organized courses delve deeper into the theoretical and practical aspects of marine electrical systems. These courses are carefully structured to enhance knowledge, develop skills, and build confidence in handling a wide range of electrical tasks. Some courses focus on specific areas like high-voltage systems, programmable logic controllers, or troubleshooting complex electrical faults. Others provide comprehensive training on international electrical codes and regulations relevant to the maritime industry. Section 5. The importance of senior engineers, mentorship and leadership. Senior marine engineers play a vital role in the development and implementation of effective SOPs and training programs. Their years of experience, both at sea and in the workshop, provide invaluable insights into best practices, potential hazards, and the nuances of working with shipboard electrical systems. They are instrumental in identifying training needs, developing curriculum for organized courses, and mentoring junior electricians. They act as role models, demonstrating the importance of adhering to SOPs, maintaining a safety-first mindset, and continuously seeking to enhance their knowledge and skills. Section 6. Continuous learning. Adapting to a changing seascape. The maritime industry is in a constant state of evolution. New technologies emerge, regulations are updated, and vessels become increasingly sophisticated. In this dynamic environment, continuous learning is not just beneficial. It is essential for marine electricians to remain at the forefront of their profession. SOPs provide a solid foundation, but they are not static documents. They must be regularly reviewed, updated, and adapted to reflect new technologies, industry best practices, and lessons learned from experience.